Hey guys, Mason with GI Tactical here. It is very hot in Virginia. As you can see, I'm kind of sweaty, but we just recently got a new shipment in, got a bunch of restocked pistols that we haven't seen in a while. These guys you're going to be very excited about, the KWA M93Rs. They are beautiful. This time they came with a full metal frame instead of the polymer frame. Moving down the line, we got the 226s back in stock, no longer discontinued. The M&Ps, both the compact and full size. The M9 PTP Tactical, and also the ATP Autos. So this is some new stuff that we got in stock, and if you look down range, we actually have some cute little targets. We're gonna smash their faces with BBs. So... oh no! I'm gonna try the M&P, because I haven't actually fired this one yet. Oh no, I double fed! Oh man, I'm sucking. There we go, got him! Let's try the compact now. Oh! M9 PTP. Oh, I love KWA. Let's see, 226s. I think I might buy one of these. Beautiful. Here's some full auto stuff. I believe in between was full auto. Beautiful. ATP Auto. Oh, I missed the last one. Jay, switch! Oh. Get him! No! No more babies! Oh. Anyway, these are some of the restock pistols that we got. Come by the store, check them out, or look for them online at gitactical.com.